I'm ready.
Get out.
1, 2, 3.
Bye.
Hey y'all, welcome to our channel. We don't have no set intro or nothing like that, but the next few videos we'll have one. So I'm gonna just start off. I'm Keeks. I'm the oldest out the cousin group.
I'm DJ. I'm the youngest. And I'm the gayest.
Okay.
And yeah.
I'm Dior. I'm the second oldest.
I'm Bree. I'm the sexiest.
Girl. Okay, so today's video, we decided to start off with like a little challenge. So I'm gonna be getting my makeup done by DJ and Bree, and we're just gonna see how it goes because neither one of them are really experienced in makeup. So I hope that fucks me up altogether. And then the plot twist of this whole entire video, we all are high as fuck right now. So we'll see how life turns out.
On the right, that's her shot.
All right, they taking my eyebrows that I already had.
So take them
Damn,
off.
you got a cut in this one right here?
No, that's just my eyebrows.
Soldier boy.
I'll take it off.
Watch my lashes. Watch my lashes.
I'm dead.
I thought you said we do use some lashes.
I need my makeup worse.
I'm starting.
Okay, so
Bro.
here is.
This is the little lighter.
What's this nigga?
Little light with this.
Hey, y'all not gonna do it.
No, how you have Bree?
Stop.
What the f? Stop playing. What the f is that? Ah! What the
I'm gonna clean all this up with some stuff.
You keep moving. You gotta be smart.
Make sure y'all ain't completely covering it. They want to see too.
Yeah, I see.
That's
That's better than ever.
The best ever.
reverse this with. And flip it.
Okay, yeah. I need that.
Why I slam myself up? What the fuck is that? That's not my foundation. That's the
What you doing, girl? That's mad. You can't touch your stuff.
Y'all can
We both
share.
gotta have
I ain't that rich now.
We both
I do
gotta
not have two of the same NARS foundation. NARS costs money.
Where you put the foundation? Oh, no.
No.
I wish y'all
Guys.
could see what's going on.
Don't mind if y'all hear me whisper. Don't
Yeah,
mind
we make
me.
that shit. She just mine.
I'm doing my own tutorial.
Should I zoom in a little bit so they see these brows?
I need
Let
something.
me zoom in.
Wait, Bree, get in right there.
Bree, she messing you up.
Oh shit.
Okay.
She messing you up.
She didn't do it.
You did.
I don't.
I'm not gonna look no more.
Yeah, your head big.
Yeah, it is.
Do y'all see my eyebrow?
DJ is really doing a good job right now.
I told you.
She making it look real natural. But on the other hand, Bree got me going bold. I'm going all out, period.
What's
So obviously, right off back, we know DJ gonna be giving us the natural look. Bree finna give us the Corona after party look.
Oh my God. She give you before the stores open. Look. The stores need to hurry the f on that.
I can Corona over
this
with.
lip gloss?
This how you
Is this lip gloss?
No, that's for my face. That's lip gloss for my face. Let me know what you guys are doing your brows. And we will move on to step
Bree
2.
added too much.
This the foundation.
I ain't losing
Oh
nothing.
my god.
Yeah, that's my foundation.
So
You ready?
That's right.
You done?
I'll
You
take
done
a
with the
shot.
you done with the brows?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Ooh, this my playing with me. What about that powder?
We'll get to that.
I'm ready for powder.
That's not right.
It's not coming out, kid.
Dang, come right. What you mean?
Close your eyes, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Y'all so rough.
I'm sorry. Excuse me.
I don't know what's happening to me.
What's going on with you, bro?
Why she said
I'm
the
ready
drinking?
for the powder.
You sure?
What's after
What's
this?
this for? What's this? This the contour.
I want this.
Oh no, man.
Okay.
Don't forget y'all concealer.
What's the concealer?
This one right here.
What's the concealer? What's the concealer?
Right there.
What, this?
That right there. Where it go? Right here.
This concealer?
Yeah, it's concealer.
Where's the eyeshadow?
She's doing concealer. Bree, did you do concealer?
Yes, I did.
Oh, okay.
Don't ask me about that. What about yourself?
I have to blend it.
The eyeshadow. My hair is on.
Bree is already on to eyeshadow. You saying the rest of my face is already complete, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
What's eyeshadow? Oh, shit. What color is you feeling today?
I don't know.
We gonna do the smoky eye look.
It's whatever. It's whatever.
It's whatever I pick, right?
Yes.
Is this like a reddish pink? Listen, oh my God, I'm sorry. Excuse me. I forgot to talk to y'all while I'm doing it. So next, I will be using.
Baby, y'all
I'm doing a smoky
Next,
eye.
I'll be using eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna get a dash of the eyeshadow. You don't want too much. You don't want too much. You want to gently
I'm
pat.
doing a smoky eye.
Bree.
Sometimes you gotta do the
Hold on, you have to add.
and give it a more bruised look. A 3-0.
Oh,
I'm doing a black eye. I turn on that.
be quiet. Close your eyes.
Kiara gotta be
Yeah,
like
keep your eyes
behind
closed.
me. I need something dark, Kiara.
Yeah, I need
Hey, that's the only palette y'all can use. That's the challenge.
Oh man, it's fine.
Make some magic out of that. As creators, we have to work with what we have.
brush you use this powder.
What if
brush
they
use
go
this
like
brush.
this, right?
I can't tell you what.
The highlight.
Oh my God.
Oh, I told y'all light on the powder.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, it's a glitter ball.
Oh my God. Just maybe just spread it all out. It's gonna
Stop! If I'm moving, you messing me up.
look- Yeah. Maybe just spread
So
it.
y'all mean to tell me this how y'all work outside?
Well, if you blowing it over here.
On my side, I'm giving her a more classy, elder, like womanly look. That's what I'm giving her.
Okay, and then on my side, I'm giving her more going out, like a party
that
look,
glitter?
like a rock star look. Yeah, she's going to a rave. Okay, where's the gloss? We need lip gloss. We need lipstick.
The
Where's
gloss.
Lipstick.
Okay, this brush right here.
Okay.
Okay.
About to hire us after this.
You ready? Lip gloss? Where's
We
the
need
lip gloss?
lipstick.
We need lipstick.
I want color.
I want gloss.
I want
Gloss.
color.
Y'all got half lip.
Oh, here you go.
Color. This
your
the color. Ooh. So I'm going to go with the butter gloss. It say butter gloss. I don't know if
Come
you
on,
see
Kaya,
butter
help
gloss.
us.
That's what I'm doing.
We have Kaya, who's our hefty assistant.
What?
Shifty.
Okay.
Helpful.
Hi guys.
Shifty. But she's a minor, so she can't get a cat.
That's how my book.
We don't need no eye curlies. R. Kelly's watching her. That's cool. You the best.
Okay. Can you go one time?
Just one
I lay
time.
my gloss.
Don't mix.
Yeah,
Oh,
don't
hell
mix.
yeah.
That's perfect. Okay. I'm gonna use this little wipe to get the little cushion. You know how you don't
Oh,
want no
snap.
lipstick up.
I forgot forehead. So you wanna give the forehead a shine.
Yeah, you do. I meant she know. I wanna copy her.
Oh,
I ain't trying to copy her, but
Bree, oh my God.
oh my God, no, Bree, no. Oh my God, Kiara. I'm done.
Hold on. Oh my gosh.
On this side, we definitely went with the
She look
clown.
like she belong in a museum.
The circus look right here.
and
And DJ took a more classy approach.
a classic.
This is, I just get my ass beat gracefully.
And comment down below some more video ideas.
And let us know if y'all want us to come style you next.
Okay, let me tell y'all my opinions.
XO Paw Patrol.
My opinions.
You did her black eye job.
Y'all knew y'all. Y'all
Whose
knew y'all
side
wasn't.
you like best?
Whose side do you like though?
Don't care.
My mom told me if I had to say, I don't see it.
We're real beat you.
You have to pick a side. Y'all think she gotta pick a side?
Okay, what side y'all think? Cause I'm gonna just leave it to the audience.
I say this.
I know what I want to say.
Ray Mac.
No comment, baby.
You're next.
Okay, let me know if you guys like our video. Say something.
Say something. I'm giving up on you.
How that girl was when she was crying, but then she was like,
Hey,
"That's
look,
me
let's
right
go. Let's do the little thing. The whoop whoop. That way. Come on, ready, set, and go.
Bank it out.
Hey,
Shake it out.
That's all I forgot to do.
Go and tell it now.
Oh my god.
Okay, y'all. We're gonna wrap this up because I
give
was
this
a
video a
hot mess.
thumb up.
Yeah,
Whoa.
that's our cue.
That's the cue. We gotta go.
Bye.
Wait. Make sure you guys subscribe to our channel, turn on post notifications.
I wanna shout out.
Comment down some pranks and challenges y'all want us. Not pranks. You gotta DM us individually. Speaking of that, I'm gonna leave all our social medias down below. So make sure you guys go and follow us on our platforms or whatever. And then yeah, if y'all want us to prank each other or whatnot, DM us directly. If y'all want to see challenges from us, just comment down below. Say bye, girls. Say bye.
Muff.
Bye. Sorry, guys. Peace out, man. Every on Snapchat,
My mama just Snapchatted me. Gotta change my answer in.